Here we are. Good morning. Here's that opening bell. They slammed that right into resistance at 3:35 on NFLX time, 6:37 a.m., 10:24. Trying to square into this option trade. Our bid is at $12.60. The high was 15.35. They shot that up. We hit the low on the name at 326.62. We've had orders out here since pre-market at 325.75. And we're trying to steal this 335 call based on the icon statements that he said it was okay to own and that it was undervalued. That is your headline hyperactivity. So we can see that they wouldn't break 1280, and we can see that price print in 36912. 8 minutes into the opening bell. And how do I steal that contract wholesale? I'm out here to buy at 1260. The high was 1535 and that low is 1280 right now. I'm still below the market based on what this stock is doing. And basically it hit that and it had a sell gap outside of the volatility of the headline events that have occurred over the last couple of days. Earnings being primary and Mr. Icon statements being very primary as taking profits like any good trader would. And not only that, he gave a statement saying on the wires last night after the close, hey, it's worth buying, it's undervalued, it's all of this, it's all of that. Well, maybe it is. That's wholesale. This is the contract that's trading on that opening bell at the 335 November regular. That's what it is. That's the volatility in the price on Netflix. And we are wholesale with the bids out here, 325, 75, and 12. We're here at 1260, and we've been here all day. And we also have some out at 1060. But we've hit these support levels. It's an opening bell, 9-minute gap, dollar price movement in the name. One, how do I get to 335 call wholesale? And we have those limit orders out on light volume. I can tell you right now that there continues to be selling in it. These are 13, they're 12.95. I got 12.70. I'm out at 12.60. Then I'm below that marketplace. There's 12.80 by 13.20 on the bid. There's that low, 15.35. Oh, 12.60. 12.60. We're up on the bid. That's based on this stock holding that support level. And no one's printed 12.60. There's our bid live on the opening bell. And then we have some other ones down below the market at 10.6. They never printed it. No, they didn't. Here we are right now. There's that teeny support line. We were on that bid action. 12.75, 13 bidding. 12.75, 13.15. We're still trying to steal that bid based on that opening bell. I'm going to pause it. That's a 10-minute price action. How to steal that option. How to manage that dollar cost risk pullback from we were on the bid. We have not been. Here we are in that live action. That teeny's starting to hold, and we're still 12.60 on that bid, 15.35 on the high, 14.50 on the close. No matter how you look at it, if someone will throw that 60 pennies, that gives us that wholesale entry here and now. I reduced the volume to 3 contracts from 5, and this is live in the marketplace. Here's the equity making its move. Here's the equity making its move. And we're out to buy, and we've been out here at 325, 75 all day long. He never threw that 1260. He never threw that 1260. We're 11 minutes in this opening tape. Right now on 10/24/2013, making a market in that option pit, MMTs. And we're trying to get that wholesale bid right here. It's live. It's here. It's now. Here he is. He's holding that lower teeny in the equity. We can see it's down 2.6 handles. We can see that 1280, it hasn't printed below it. And I will come back to it. Right now, 12-minute price print. How to steal that wholesale bid at 1260 on low volume risk on the first pass. Here now. Here we have live limit orders. Early this morning, we put this contract out here to buy this. And there's 10 of them at $23.70. That's the $310 call in the money based on that opening bell print now that is 13 minutes long at support. That's a mathematical support line on the open. These contracts are very narrow range. It closed at $29. We're still trying to buy the other ones at 1260 right here. We're on the bid again. We are, that's us right there. But no one's throwing below 1280 right now in this opening bell and this opening print. Yeah, how to steal that option at that wholesale entry and have that price down there below that market, 1535 on the high. You do the math. 1260, that's wholesale. We were there. 1285 coming into play. That's based on that support line here and now. Right now, it's a weak one. We'll get hit at 1260, but we're only going to get hit on 3 of these now. And then we're going to keep the lower bid in these markets down there at 1050 on the same contract. This is holding that teeny support right now. I'm 14 minutes into the opening bell. Look at that, look at that, look at that. 1305 by 35, 13535 wholesale print. Many times in this video, we were there at 1260 on the opening print, and we still remain. How to trade Netflix, how it puts in a bottom, how we have the bid at 25.75, how Netflix made a low. It shorted that same gap from yesterday at 335 down to 326.62, and it's holding. Now it's getting stronger at that bottom. You can see the contracts that we had at 1260. We're still going to leave that order there. It is bouncing off the bottom, and you can see the premium change in dollar price value on that opening bell. 15 minutes of price action in the option of the 335 call, the 310 call deep in the money, and the equity short at 335 down to support to that level of 326.62 pennies. And it's putting in that daily intraday bottom, and how I still remain over here at 1260, and it's 15 minutes. I'm concluding on how to steal the print here, how to short the highs here, how to have those prices at wholesale areas, and here we are at 1280 by 1310. We'll update it later.